Gary Vee just shared a new side hustle idea that I actually love because it has the potential to turn into a full-time business and a huge brand. Now, this isn't your typical Gary Vee side hustle idea about garage sales and finding stuff to flip like old baseball cards or Care Bears. Do you remember Care Bears? I had one, I think when I was a kid. Yeah, it was a blue one and it was named Bedtime Bear, I think. And I loved that bear. So Gary shared this side hustle idea, but it wasn't very detailed. So I decided to shoot this video and really go through and create a full action plan that anyone can follow. Now, why did this really resonate with me? Well, because I've built several brands using this same side hustle business model, and I know it works. Now, just keep in mind that the niche that Gary talks about doesn't really matter as much as the overall business plan. This can pretty much work in almost any niche. Okay, let's watch the video, and then I'll give you the full breakdown of the numbers and the steps to make this all happen.
All right, continuing trying to find things to bring value to the community that really is practical and affects your pockets and your bank account. This has exploded. Since COVID, so many people bought so many pets, and now a lot of them are back to their real day-to-day life, opening up a market of supply and demand opportunities. For a lot of you, you are insanely passionate about dogs, cats, and other animals. $20 to $40 to even $50 an hour in big markets is a real tangible amount of side cash. But on top of it, the job itself leads to an incredible opportunity for content creation at scale. So not only are you getting paid $30 or $40 an hour to pet sit or dog walk, but you're now making content, obviously with permission from the owners, and that's leading to opportunities for more awareness for you. This all can lead to a meaningful pet caring daycare business, and that's your actual passion. Side hustles turn to happy lives. Pay attention to this trend.
So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, but not a lot of detail, right? So as promised, here's a 7-step blueprint that will help fill in the blanks that Gary just gave us from my own experience of building 6- and 7-figure brands using this same model. All right, step 1, start by dog sitting and charge $30, $40, $50 an hour. If you get 5 dogs, that is $250 per day. And if you do this for 5 days a week, that's $1,250 per week, and that's $5,000 per month. Now, you might not be into dog sitting, but maybe you're into photography. Well, you could start by getting 5 appointments a week and charge $50 an hour. It's the same concept as the dog walking example. All right, step number 2, create a YouTube channel and start posting videos. This is where Gary was talking about taking this experience and then creating content. Now, these videos can be how to start a dog walking business or dog tips for certain breeds or both. All right, step number 3, post 1 to 3 videos per week. And here is the deal. When you are consistent, you are going to get results. So the secret here is committing to this process and start publishing videos at least 1 a week, but I would like to see it get scaled up to 3 videos per week. And if you're dog sitting or you're taking photography sessions, there's probably things that you can talk about that you can share and be helpful to that community. Step number 4, get paid by YouTube AdSense. And here's what I mean. When you are posting videos, eventually YouTube is going to display ads in front of those people in your audience, and you will get paid. Now, you will need to have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours to qualify to be a YouTube partner. The other thing I should say is the earnings can start slow, but it's possible to make a lot of money. And I'm talking all the way up to $20,000, $30,000. And I actually have an example I'm going to share with you that is making upwards of $24,000 per month just from YouTube, which is actually $815 a day to be exact. So here's a channel that I found. The name of it is Paul, I believe it's Dinning Wildlife. And you can see here, there's a series of videos that are for dogs to watch while they're at home or when they're by themselves, or they just want to put it on the TV because they want their pets to watch something. So check this out right here. Relax Your Dog TV, the ultimate TV for dogs. All videos produced by Paul Dinning. Then here, video for dogs to watch. Dog TV videos of birds and squirrels for separation anxiety. 15 million views. Insane. Check this out. So this here I pulled from a site called Social Blade, and this gives us a little bit of insight inside of their account. So we can see here that this channel has been around since 2009, and you can also see that the last 30 days, 6.2 million views. Now they do report their estimated monthly earnings here. Now this is typically not going to be accurate. And I say it's not accurate, it's usually on the low side. So you can see $1,600 to $24,900 every single month, which is crazy, and upwards of $300,000 per year. And this is just from these YouTube ads. So as you can see, if you just post videos that an audience wants and they will watch, you can make money. Just like Gary said, take your passion, take your niche. In this case, it is pet sitting. And then you can take that and turn it into content and make it a really, really huge brand. All right, step 5, get paid by Amazon by promoting products. Now, again, if we're gonna use the pet sitting example, whatever products you're using, such as a leash, collars or brushes, any product that is related to the niche, you can put a link in your YouTube description, and anytime someone clicks and buys, you get paid a small commission. And this can really, really add up quickly. Now on the low side, this could be an extra $50 per day, which is $1,500 more per month. So I think we agree there's a lot of potential here, right? All right, moving on. Step number 6, get paid by sponsors. Once you have an audience, other brands will pay you to do a video or a shout out about their products or services. Now, it's not uncommon to get paid $3,000 for just one sponsor. So let's imagine here getting 2 or 3 more for the month. Well, that would add up fast, right? Let's see, 3,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,000, that's $9,000. And that's all because people want to get in front of your audience that you've built. And the last step is step number 7, and that is get paid from creating your own products like courses or print-on-demand products. Did you know you can sell these on platforms like Etsy or Amazon or even your own website? This could easily add up to $3,000 to $10,000 per month, which again is another $100 to $300 per day. So here's the full revenue breakdown of this business model that I just went over with you. $5,000 in dog walking, $24,000 in YouTube AdSense, $1,500 in Amazon product commissions, $3,000 in brand sponsorships, and $3,000 in your own products, which totals in revenue $36,500 per month, which also is $438,000 per year. And that's $1,200 per day. And that, my friends, is a lot of moolah. So as you can see, there is a ton of potential here, but the biggest problem I see why people don't get started is overwhelm and what to do first. And that's why I shot this video right here that breaks it all down in even more detail. It's what I call the #1 side hustle to create passive income for life. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.